So I'm really excited to show you guys my mini chainsaw from Seesii. I have been looking for mini chainsaws for a while now, and I absolutely hate asking my husband to trim back our trees and wait on him to do small jobs that I feel like I can handle. So I'm so excited now that I actually have my own and I can use it anytime. I don't have to worry about waiting on him to get a job done. I can just get the job done myself. So here's a video of me using this Seesii mini chainsaw. As you can see, it's so easy to use. When I opened the box, it was so easy to figure out the parts to put together. It took no time to charge the battery, and I have been using it for most of the day, and still the battery is at full charge. I absolutely recommend this mini chainsaw from Seesii, and I hope that you take a look at them too. I do have a 20% coupon code that you can use with the Amazon link in the description below.